When it comes to our time clock feature in Ressio, in your team being able to clock in or out under specific cost codes here, we actually have an additional setting I wanted to show here. And where I'm at right now is under your company settings within cost codes. So this column here within your cost codes allows you to choose when these specific cost codes can be used when clocking in or out on specific projects. We have three statuses. The first one is if used by project, which is our default status. What this one means is if this cost code is being used on the estimate, your team has the ability to clock in under this cost code. We have never, which means that this will never be an option to clock in or out under. And then we have always, which means that they can always choose this cost code whether or not it's being used on the estimate. This is a great way to control the coding used to clock in or out under to make it easier for your team. You're also able to do this in bulk. So down here at the bottom is bulk actions, to where we can set a default in mass by choosing which one we want. And then once we do that, we can just go in and maybe update specific cost codes to reflect the settings that we need. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to your coach or our support team here at Ressio. Thanks.